Oh my god, information का इतना overload? But don't you worry, I've got your back. In this video, we are going to discuss about everything that you need to know before buying a term plan. But before we proceed, it's a small request to subscribe to this channel for some amazing financial content. The need for buying a term plan is always ignored. What are the common reasons? Term plan की हमें जरूरत नहीं है. कौन इतना पैसा देगा? टर्म प्लान तो उन्हें ही लेना चाहिए जिन्हें कोई डिजीज हो वगैरह वगैरह. So all these type of questions will be answered in this video. And before we begin, I am Bhavin, certified financial planner. And in this video, we are going to discuss why is term plan so important and what are some simple yet important points to be kept in mind while purchasing a term plan. So let's look at this small example. Ananya and Rahul are young couple residing in Bangalore. When they got married, both of them had a very minimal responsibilities. But as and when life progressed, with the increased salary also came increased responsibilities. Rahul took his first home with the help of home loan, then a car loan. Rahul's parents were also getting old, so even they relied on Rahul to some extent, and after a few years of marriage, they started a family, and now their cute little daughter was also depending on Rahul. Ananya decided to be a homemaker, and Rahul is the sole bread earner of the family. Due to lack of knowledge and awareness, Rahul always thought that term plan is not necessary for him, as nothing will happen to him. But one day, Rahul got a shock when he heard the news of his best friend passing away due to heart attack. His friend was of his age, had a home loan and a responsibility of a family, but thankfully had a term plan which helped his family to great extent. This incident made him think about a lot of things. What will happen to his family if unfortunately he passes away? Who will pay for the EMIs? Who will take care of his kids' schooling, higher education? And what about his parents and his wife Ananya? Most importantly, he understood the need of buying a term plan. So now, since we have understood the importance of buying a term plan, let us now try and understand what are some simple yet very important points to keep in mind while you're purchasing a term plan. So, firstly, let's try to understand what is human life value. Human life value is a number that indicates the current value of the future expenses, liabilities, and investments. This indicator helps estimate the approximate amount that would be required to provide a financial security to your family in your absence. So basically, with the help of human life value, you can understand what is the amount of term plan you need for yourself. Having an inadequate amount of life insurance is the last thing that you would want to do for your family. Life insurance prepares you for the future, and that's the reason while purchasing a term plan, you should consider all your expenses. This includes living expenses, medical expenses, future financial goals like retirement, kids' higher education, etc. etc. In addition to this, you should also consider inflation, जिसे हम हिंदी में महंगाई कहते हैं. You should also consider your debts and liabilities. And a human life value calculator can come to your rescue and do all the work that you need. So now, let me share a very simple example of human life value. Human life value equals annual income into remaining working years plus total liabilities minus total assets. For example, if a person is 30 years old and has an annual income of rupees 10 lakhs and has a home loan outstanding of 50 lakh rupees and a saving of 20 lakh rupees and plans to work until the age of 60, their human life value would be calculated as follows. Human life value equals 10 lakhs into 30 plus 50 lakhs minus 20 lakhs equals 3.3 crore rupees. However, it is important to note that the human life value calculation is only a rough estimate and the actual life insurance coverage required may vary depending on individual circumstances. As a rule of thumb, your term plan should be in between 10 to 15 times of your annual income depending on your income, expenses, liabilities and your responsibilities. So by now, you must be aware about the amount of term plan that you need. So now let's understand the various options that are available while purchasing a term plan. Every person has a different requirement. So having an information about these options can help you select a better term plan. Number 1, comprehensive life cover at affordable rate. Term plan is the purest form of life insurance, because of which it makes this product very affordable. It's often joked upon that the cost of buying a term plan is equivalent to buying a pizza. Number 2, comprehensive cover with host of riders. Term plan comes with lots of add-on like critical illness rider. Under this critical illness rider, if a policyholder is diagnosed with one of the critical illnesses mentioned in the policy, the insurer will pay him or her the sum assured for the rider. Let's suppose you have 1 crore rupees of term plan cover and a critical illness rider of 20 lakh with it. Now, on being diagnosed with a critical illness, the insurer will only pay you 20 lakh assured for the critical illness rider. This money can be used for treatment or any other purposes. Next is accidental cover rider. Under this benefit, the insured's family receives the cover amount and base cover in case of the insured's individual demise due to an accident. You can add this cover to your term plan at any time during the premium payment term, subject to the conditions for the accident cover. Third is permanent disability rider. Here, you will get comprehensive coverage against the risk of disability by paying an additional premium on your base policy. Fourth is waiver of premium. You can also get comprehensive protection, waiver of future premiums against death, disability and critical illness by paying some additional premium. Next is life cover of housewives. Now, even housewives can buy a term plan and secure their life much easily without a lot of documentation. And the last one is limited pay but maximum cover. Usually, we need a term plan during our working life. But if you may decide to cover yourself till age 85, you have an option to pay premium only till your age 60, but it could get covered until the age 85. So now we have understood what is human life value, and we have also understood what are the various options available while purchasing a term plan. So now let's try to understand few simple yet important points to keep in mind while purchasing a term plan. Number 1, premium payment. Choose a term plan that offers flexible premium payment options such as monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly payments. Also ensure that the premium amount is affordable and fits within your budget. Check out the link in the description box to calculate the various premium options you would be eligible for. Number 2, tenure of policy. Choose a term plan with a tenure that is sufficient to cover your financial liabilities such as home loan, education loan, etc. etc. Number 3, riders and add-ons. Look for term plan that offers riders and add-ons that can enhance the coverage of your policy. Some popular riders include accidental death benefit, critical illness cover and waiver of premium, etc. Number 4, claim settlement ratio. Check the claim settlement ratio of the insurance company before buying the term plan. This will give you an idea of the company's track record in settling claim and how reliable it is. Number 5, online purchase. Consider buying the term plan online as it is convenient, transparent and often comes with a lower premium compared to the offline purchase. Number 6, customer service. Look for an insurance company that has a good customer service track record and is responsive to customers' query and complaints. Number 7, compare policies. Compare different term plans from multiple insurance companies before making a decision. This will help you choose the policy that offers the best value for money and meets your specific needs. By keeping these points in mind, you can select the best term plan in India that provides you and your family a financial security and a peace of mind you need. So I hope in this video I was able to answer all your questions related to the term plan, and this video will help you take a right decision while buying a term plan. Do subscribe to this channel for more financial content, and also in the comment box do let us know which is the next topic you would want us to pick next.